how to create a newsletter in MailerLite. So first, go to MailerLite, of course, and then go to your campaigns here at the left. Next is just click on create campaign here at the right, and then choose regular campaign. Now next is you just need to type in your campaign name. So I'll just type in sample name here, or sample campaign. And then for the subject, you can just use any subject here. So I'll just type in sample subject, then pre-header, anything here. For the recipients, just click on it, click on recipients here, then just click on this checkbox here to send your campaign to all your active subscribers. You click on select and then just click on next content. Now here you can just choose to start from scratch, template gallery, or recent emails. So I'll just choose template gallery here, so I don't have to create anything from scratch. So I'll just use this Black Friday event. Just click on choose. Okay, now let's just wait for this to load. Then okay, now for example, you're done editing all of this, right? You used and you drag and drop any of the options here, the navigation hero. So let's say you've done customizing all of this, right? So just click on done editing. Okay, now let's wait for it to load again. Now here, you can just select whether to send it now, send later, or you can base it on time zones as well. So let's just say I want to send it now. Just click on send and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.